Hey everyone, here's a cool Python project that I made in a couple of hours. So the project that I made counts the number of views MrBeast Squid Game in real life gets every hour. So to do this I used the YouTube API and I did it in 27 lines of code and I'll be explaining it line by line. So first I imported the OS module. I did this so that I could use environment variables and keep my API key secure. Then I imported the Google API client or discovery module, which handles getting all the video information from YouTube. And then I imported the time module. So first I created a variable I and set it to 0, and I created list result and I set it to an empty list. So while true, this I used a while loop so that it's continuously running. So my API key is in this line of code. After that, YouTube object is I use the Google API client or discovery library, the module, and this code is from the YouTube documentation. The ID over here is the video ID of Squid Game in real life, and I use the statistics part in order to get the view information and so on. So then response is equal to request.execute, and then res is equal to response items 0 statistics and view count. So I get the view count by doing this, and I can get many other properties using the same API. Then whatever result I get, I append it into my list result. So now the YouTube API, what I realized is it does not update in real time, so it takes a little time for the views to update. So what I did is I calculated the views every 4 minutes. So I used time.sleep and set it to 240 seconds, which is 4 minutes, and every 4 minutes I checked how many views the YouTube API got from this video, and after getting that I added each one, and finally after 15 sets that makes up a single R, and after that R I do the greatest number, which is the most recent from the list result. I can get the most recent by doing -1 and the first one by doing 0. So I did final result is equal to the last result minus the first result, and then I got the final result. So I'm not going to run this because it takes an hour for it to run the whole program, but if you can see, as you can see here, it started here. So first is just one video count, and then every 4 minutes it added to the video counts. As you can see, the numbers are not always the same because viewers keep watching this video, and as the view count increases, you can see the list becomes larger and larger. So after 1 hour it prints out this. So total views in the past are 18,899. Now this hour was from 550 to 650 IST, but it's depending on the place. So you just have to run the program and it'll tell you exactly how many views MrBeast Squid Game gets in an hour. So if you like this video, please subscribe, and thanks for all your support.